Hi, Danielle D'Souza, pet-friendly lender with Homebridge Financial. Credit 101. How is credit determined? How is your score determined? There are 3 bureaus. So there's Equifax, Experian, and Transunion. And they all have their own algorithms. And basically what I pull as a mortgage lender will be different than what you pull as a consumer. If you're looking at from your bank or your Credit Karma or something like that, it will be different. It will be off that score. Your score is dependent on payment history, debt, length of credit, type of credit, and new inquiries. So payment history is the biggest one, 35%. That's how your score is determined if you pay your bills on time. It's a risk. If they're going to loan you money, it's a risk. Debt utilization, meaning that do you have 6 credit cards and they're all maxed out? That's really, really bad. You want to have your credit cards, if you're at like a 6,000 balance, you want 10%. Length of credit, the longer you have a credit, the better. Like the credit card is long. You've been paying for a long time on your mortgage or your car, that looks good. And then type of credit. So there's installments, which would be a mortgage and a car, which, you make this steady payment for this amount and then it's paid off. And then there's revolving, that's a credit card. And then new inquiries are 10% of the score. Credit scores range anywhere between 350 to 850. People are usually worried, don't pull my credit because they're, for a mortgage or for a car. And actually it's wrong. You can have your credit pulled and it will not affect you like you think it will. Maybe a couple points. But basically, the credit bureaus know that you can be an informed consumer. So you are able to go out and have your credit pulled while you're shopping for loans. So it won't affect you the way that you think. And then credit inquiries last about 120 days. So anytime that, I pull your credit or another mortgage lender pulls your credit and then a car or whatever, 120 days and it'll be gone. Also, just keep in mind that when we pull a credit report, it's only a snapshot in time. And usually it can be 30 to 45 days behind. So sometimes those balances or whatever are not real time. It's going to be a little bit behind. But feel free to ask me any questions at all about credit. Danielle.D'Souza at homebridge.com, 386-589-9037. Thanks. Bye.